Have you ever imagined where you'd be today if you had started investing at 13? Sounds way too early, right? But that's exactly where the secret lies. While most people only realize the importance of money after they turn 30, often buried in debt, stuck in a limited lifestyle, and regretting lost time, there are those who dare to start early. Teens who make choices that may seem small at first, but over time, evolve into legacies. In this video, you're going to understand why starting early isn't just an advantage, it's a total game changer. We're going to show how seemingly insignificant amounts of money, when used wisely, have the power to silently multiply through compound interest, the invisible engine behind strong and quiet fortunes. And here's the most powerful part. You don't have to be a financial genius. You don't need a lot of money to start. What you really need is vision, the courage to take action when no one else is paying attention. In this video, you'll see how real teens, with different backgrounds and ordinary lives, are using simple strategies to achieve freedom before they even graduate. We'll also reveal the mistakes that almost destroyed their plans and how you can avoid them. We'll give you a step-by-step plan for every stage of your teen years, with real, practical actions you can apply right now, whether you're 13, 16, or even 19. Because the point isn't when you started, it's what you're going to do from this moment forward. The future is right around the corner, and it starts with one choice. So listen closely. Every second of this video carries a piece of the freedom you can still claim. Now let me tell you a truth. I became a millionaire at 20. But if I had started investing at 13, with the knowledge I have today, I would have made it there much earlier. You know why? Because during my teenage years, I spent everything on electronics, clothes, and junk. If I had invested just half of what I earned into ETFs, today I'd have double the wealth. And more than that, I learned that skills like coding, sales, and content creation brought me more return than years of college. Financial freedom doesn't just come from investing, it's born from the combination of financial intelligence and personal development. If you're 13, the first step is to open a custodial account with the help of your parents. Brokerages like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and even Interactive Brokers offer this option. There, you can start investing in ETFs like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, or QQQ, which follows the NASDAQ. Why ETFs? Because they offer automatic diversification, low costs, and track the world's biggest indexes. And if your parents aren't convinced, show them this video. Explain how this is actually safer than letting money sit still or in a basic savings account. Information changes minds, and you can lead that change in your own home. At 14, it's time to discover your talent. Simple jobs like selling candy at school, doing freelance design, or video editing can already give you an income. And more importantly, they teach you valuable lessons about discipline, creativity, and resilience. Do you play sports? Great. You're already learning about effort and consistency. Into strategy games? You're developing logical thinking and risk analysis. All of this connects with the financial world, even if you don't realize it yet. Teen years are your personal lab. Test everything, fail fast, and discover what you're truly good at. At 15, the mission is clear. Save smart. Instead of asking for a new video game, ask for $100 to invest. Sound extreme? Your future self will thank you. If you land a part-time job, as a babysitter, delivery helper, or assistant, try to save at least 50% of what you earn. Even if it feels like a small amount, that money invested in ETFs can multiply massively over the years. And here's a psychological trick. Every time you earn something, ask yourself, how much of this can I invest to buy tomorrow's freedom? That mindset changes everything. At 16, the focus is invest in yourself. Learn high-value skills like programming, Python, JavaScript, graphic design, Photoshop, Canva, or online sales. Buy a course, upgrade your gear, build your own projects. Every skill you learn now can turn into a source of income later. A microphone could become a YouTube channel. A design course could become a digital agency. What seems small today could be your competitive edge tomorrow, and all of it is worth more than any expensive gift you could ask for. At 17, think about gaining physical independence too. Get your driver's license. This opens doors for jobs like Uber, deliveries, or anything that requires mobility. More than that, it gives you control over your time, the most valuable asset in the world. While your friends are waiting for the bus, you're already on your way to the next opportunity. Remember, time, money, and those who control time control the game. Use this edge to work more, learn more, or simply rest when needed, because true freedom is about having choices. And finally, at 18, it's time to organize your adult financial life. Open a fee-free bank account, build an emergency fund, and start using a credit card responsibly, always paying in full. Set up a full investment account, like a Roth IRA, and begin thinking long-term. Ask yourself if college is truly the best path, or if a trade skill and entrepreneurship might make more sense for you. Avoid bad debt, like car loans, and launch a side hustle. Sell something, offer a service, create content. What matters is building multiple income streams as early as possible. And now, the sentence that could change your life. If you invest $40 per month from age 13 to 65, you could end up with over $1 million just from compound interest. That's the power of time when used wisely. The most important thing is to start. Start today, even with just a small amount. Because what really separates you from financial freedom isn't how much money you have right now. It's how willing you are to take action with what you've got. Now tell me, how many of these steps have you already taken? Leave a comment below, and if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe, because your journey to financial freedom starts today.